So it's going to be dry today. I know it turned pretty damp yesterday. We have another round of rain, but it doesn't arrive until after the evening commute and will be overnight tonight for most of us. So breaks of sun do emerge today. There'll be some improvement overall. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s, though coolest at the coast with an onshore wind today. A lot of clouds, dry tomorrow and rain tomorrow night. So we're timing things out pretty well that most of the daylight hours, both today and tomorrow, will be dry. Pleasant on Friday, a brighter and beautiful end to the weekend. No washouts this weekend. I do think there'll be a few isolated showers and storms around, but plenty of dry times on both Saturday and Sunday. 50 in Boston right now, 40s in the suburbs. Cool start to the day, but we're drying things out. Low clouds in place as well, but these clouds will give way to sunshine, breaking out at times today. Down to the south, stalled out front. Been the focus for some severe weather that will be again today from parts of Texas back up through Missouri. This cluster of rain that you see here, though, through Illinois and northern Indiana, this is going to be working in our direction, and that's what will bring us a threat for some rain by late this evening. For most of us, though, it's not a ton. So after being in the 60s today and 50s at the coast, rain generally will be heaviest down through Connecticut and Rhode Island. We get some showers and maybe a few downpours, particularly along the south coast tonight into pre-dawn tomorrow. Then tomorrow's a kind of similar day. We start with clouds, we end up with some sun, and then another round. Next wave of low pressure is going to bring a chance for rain late tomorrow evening and night before we can get this cold front to come in. That will eventually kick this whole system out of here. So hour by hour today, look at this. The sun does break out in a lot of spots. There'll be some clouds mixed in as well. And those clouds will fill back in this evening. Notice generally dry through the evening commute. Around 8 o'clock, some showers. This is what I'm talking about, though. Some thunderstorms and heavier rain will be focused south and west of Massachusetts, at least for the most part. Some downpours come in by this evening along the south coast of the Cape. Around midnight tonight, scattered showers, downpours, and isolated rumble of thunder on Cape Cod. By tomorrow morning, it's pretty much done. Kind of similar to today, drying things out. So how much rain? 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. That's it. Don't focus on the exact number here, but it's not a ton. The green indicates less than 1/2 an inch, obviously. And then along the south coast, there may be some locally higher amounts over 1/2 an inch on Cape Cod and the islands. High temperatures today, 55 to 60 at the coast. That's it. Well below average, but as we do get some breaks of sun inland, we'll climb well into the 60s, could even touch 70 in a couple spots by later on this afternoon. Areas of rain tonight will taper to showers. We drop back to about 50, some upper 40s in the coolest suburbs. Highs tomorrow a little bit warmer than today. So 60s at the coast as opposed to 50s, and we'll be about 70 to 75 through the interior with some breaks of sun. Friday, a beautiful day overall. Many of us go 70 to 75. 60s on Cape Cod. It'll be a little bit breezy Friday too, but much brighter as well with sunshine coming out. Mid-70s on Saturday with a pop-up storm late in the day possible. Sunday, a few more clouds and a couple showers as well. And then Monday, for the start of next week, we cool off just a little bit. There'll be a threat for some rain and mid-60s on Tuesday.